Today in class, we're going to cover the 9.NPA 4.1 content and actually the 4.3 content that goes a little further, two more objectives later. Both this information goes hand in hand together, so I'm actually covering the PowerPoints that go with both contents because this information is all about the importance of exercise with the healthy diet. So kind of 4.1 is focusing on the exercise. 4.3 is focusing on eating the right foods so that you pair them with the right workout activity. So the PowerPoints go together and they're actually the same content information. So it's 3 different PowerPoints we're going to cover. Of course, just make sure you click on them right here, PowerPoint 1, 2, and 3, and we'll go ahead and start going over the first one. Of course, this first one is about being physically active, how it benefits your health in a variety of different ways. So, of course, our vocabulary this time is physical activity, physical fitness, exercise, and sedentary. And our main idea here is to look at the benefits of how physical activity benefits you and how you should be active for at least 60 minutes of physical activity every single day. And of course, it says teens, but it needs to start now. In childhood, you start this in your childhood, move through your teens, and of course, you should even be active for 60 minutes every day as an adult. Physical activity includes all kinds of activities that you do each and every day. It is any form of movement that causes your body to use energy. We've been over that with your PE logs. And of course, being active on a regular basis improves your physical fitness. And physical fitness is the ability to carry out the daily tasks very easily and have enough reserve energy to respond to unexpected demands. So like when you are physically in shape and you are physically fit, if you run, like I said, you take a 30-minute jog or you take a 30-minute run and then something unexpectedly happens, you can still keep running. Where if you're out of shape, say you had to run an emergency happens and you have to start running, your body's going to give out because you're unable to follow through. So it's very important to have some physical fitness and be physically fit. And of course, all kinds of physical activity, not just like a structured exercise, will improve your health. And an exercise is a purposeful physical activity that is planned, structured, and repetitive. That is the main goal to improve and maintain your physical fitness. Where, like I said, the difference is physical activity is just anything that's going to cause your body energy. So like walking to your car, walking to class is physical activity. But exercise is purposeful physical activity that's planned, structured, and going to benefit you to improve your physical fitness. The benefits of physical activity, of course, it strengthens your muscles and bones, boosts your energy, improves your posture, helps you maintain a healthy weight, and reduces the risk for many serious diseases. You have your whole body benefits by physical activity. Of course, cardiovascular benefits, your cardiovascular system benefits because it strengthens your heart muscles so that you can pump blood throughout the body easier. Your respiratory system functions better because you're better able to provide oxygen throughout your body. And of course, your musculoskeletal system improves because your muscles and your bones are both stronger, preventing injury as you age, preventing injury as you do things. The mental and emotional benefits, of course, it relieves stress, it enhances your mood, you sleep better, and of course you have a better self-esteem because a lot of times people who are exercise and are physically fit and conscious about their activity levels may have even a better body image to help also boost their self-esteem. The social benefits for physical activity, it's an easy way to spend time with friends. You can, of course, make new friends because you're on a new team, you're on a new workout group. Develop skills to improve your relationship, of course, improve your self-esteem. It gives you confidence and you're easily able to manage stress. Of course, continuing with the social benefits, when you take part in team sports, it gives you a good sense of teamwork and what sportsmanship is. And of course, when we're not active, we have the risk of more health problems. We have a sedentary lifestyle, which we're getting ready to go over the definition of sedentary, but examples of being sedentary include watching TV, like surfing on the internet, surfing on looking through your social media pages, and playing video games and not getting up and being active. So what does sedentary mean? Sedentary means you're doing very little physical activity. Unfortunately, probably during COVID and during the pandemic, a lot of you were probably sedentary because you weren't able to go anywhere. You weren't able to do anything. Of course, we weren't in school for a long time. So being sedentary involves little physical activity, and it puts your body at several different health risks. Like I said, these are being listed right now. Unhealthy weight gain and obesity, of course, cardiovascular disease, type 2 diabetes, certain types of cancer, asthma, and other breathing problems, osteoporosis, osteoarthritis, psychological problems, and even a premature death. And so you can engage in physical activity, like you can break, if you don't have a full hour to devote in your day, even just engaging in 10 minutes at a time for 6 different times in the day is the same benefits of like having that hour-long workout, because you walked for 10 minutes, you did here, and then maybe 10 minutes later you took a jog, 10 minutes later you did something else. So like even scheduling it out in short periods of the day can be just as beneficial as that hour-long workout. You can implement physical activity in your diet, not your diet, sorry, but your day, by doing things like, instead of taking an elevator somewhere, take the stairs. We don't really have this problem very often, but shoveling snow instead of using a snow blower. We also don't typically live so close to our friends that we can walk, but when you are with your friends, maybe you can go for a bike ride, you can do something together. Instead of using that shopping cart, carry your groceries to the car, and of course washing your car by hand, or instead of taking it to the car wash. And of course, playing basketball, soccer, tennis, any kind of sport that you might like, instead of playing video games and stuff like that. Of course, make time for physical activity. Turn the TV off, put your phone down, and go outside and exercise, because it can reduce a lot of health problems. And of course, that covers the first PowerPoint, and we'll go ahead and in the next video cover the second one.